Welcome to Easify. In this guide, we'll show you how to set up a custom auto reply for missed calls on specific phone numbers. Go to Phone Numbers in the navigation bar. Find the number you want to set up an auto reply for and click on the three dots next to it. Select Manage from the drop-down menu. Under Manage Phone Number, enter your custom auto reply message. Click Update to save changes. Here's an incoming call that goes unanswered. Click on Chat SMS to check the auto reply you've set. Please note that this message will apply only to the selected phone number. In the Chat SMS section, the missed call will be displayed. Click on the missed call to open the chat and view the custom reply sent to your customer. We hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. For more help, feel free to book a call or email us at info@easify.app.